Your channel is not dead. Your channel needs a refresh. A decline in view doesn't mean that your channel is finished. Yes, so I'm going to be telling you tips that you need to do if you feel that YouTube is not pushing your video, if you feel that your channel is dead, if you feel that you're not getting any views at all, you're tired, you're frustrated, you're thinking of quitting. I will tell you some tips you need to do that will bring value, and people will start engaging to your channel and you start getting views. Number one, you need to understand the interest of the audience. What the audience want. What are they keying into? What are they asking the most? What are they searching the most? What do they want? You need to recreate. You need to even copy a YouTuber or anything that you feel is trending. You need to go on it. Follow what is trending. For example, now people are talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers and everything. That's what is trending. That's what people want. That's what people want to do to get to the next level. And you are talking about tags that you need to put on your videos and everything. This is not what is trending. This is not what the audience want. This is not what the audience are listening to right now. Why don't you adapt to it and see if it will pick up, if your channel will pick up? Most times, most of us just do what we feel we like. It's not a bad idea. You can have a circle and divide it, your own interest and the audience interest, so that you will align at the same goal or at the same interest. Your interest is to get more views and to make more money from the YouTube platform. So you now divide your interest, your own interest and the audience interest. Don't just focus everything on you. I feel like I want to talk about this topic. I feel that this topic is what I want, and the audience are not interested in it. That's why you will see that your channel is finished. That's why you will see you're not getting view. It happened to me. There are sometimes I give good content and I will just bring from my head and I will do straightforward. As you can see here, or here where I will put it, you will see that I have 30 views, 40 views, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. I will get 40 views, 30 views. By the time I start following trends, oh, this is what they are talking about, let me also add up to what they are saying. Let me also recreate mine. And I saw that I'm having 200, 257, 500. It gave me joy that I see that, okay, this is the interest of the audience, or this is the audience interest. So I keep on putting more effort in that aspect. Sometimes I understand how it feels like. You want to say what you feel like, but sometimes you should do what the audience wants or what is trending. That is it. So your channel is not dead. You just need a refresh. You just need to strategize. So check your content strategy. Are you still posting same type of content that you often and you're not still seeing views? Sometimes we need to change. We need to just do something that will align with our niche. You don't necessarily need to stop that niche. You need to just do something that will align with it. For example, now I'm doing how to guide, like how to teach, like YouTube tutorial. I can also bring something of, okay, talk about app, do a review of different apps that I feel is okay for me, do a phone review or something tech that is aligned with what you're doing, because you're teaching. So anything you're bringing, you're teaching, you're telling people how to use it, you're telling people this app is the best, or what you think will be good for your content, or what would be good for you as a YouTuber, the tools you're going to use to enhance your editing, games and every other thing. So you can add it to your content. You can add it to your content, so you don't necessarily just keep doing the same thing all the time and you're not getting value or views for it. You need to strategize. So just check your content strategy. You can try new formats, you can try new topics. Just do something that will give value or give views to your channel. The third one is improve on your thumbnail and title. I cannot emphasize this enough. I've always said it, like your thumbnail and title is very, very, very important. Let me give you an example. In those days when we used to go rent some film, or is it video cassette or something, when we used to go rent it, we look out for the banner. We don't always wait for maybe the trailer or something, but look at this person, look at this person. That will captivate you. The banner alone, as in the poster, is very key. Just the same way as thumbnail. YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, you need to make it very grabby. I'm even improving, because when I see my thumbnail in my previous videos, I just laugh. I just say it's the grace of God that even I have 40 views, so people just click to watch. You need to have a catchy thumbnail. The help of VDQ will help you a lot. Just go download the app. It's called your thumbnail. It's called your thumbnail. It's called your title. If you see orange, if you see red, that means your thumbnail or your thumbnail or your title is watery, so it's going to tell you that it's not good. But when you see green, mainly I see green, I think green is from 80 upward. If I see green, I'm good to go. I'm also improving on it. I'm not there yet. But when you have a good thumbnail and title, have you not seen that some persons, even a small YouTuber, you don't even know this person, but the thumbnail and the title is calling you? You just click on that video, you don't even know why you click on that video. And if that person have playlist again, you don't even know when you watch like 5 of that person's video, just because of the title and thumbnail. I cannot emphasize this enough. VDQ will help you with this your thumbnail, and with this VDQ will help you in scoring you to know that your thumbnail is very good. And you can use Canvas, you can use CapCut to design a very good thumbnail. Those are the ones that I feel, that I know, that I've used. That is just it. When you do those things, definitely you will get good views. The fourth one is consistency matters. Consistency matters. I cannot emphasize this enough. Consistency is key. If you are inconsistent, it will just push the YouTube algorithm away, because they will feel that you are serious. They don't even know what to do. That is why I always tell you to post every day. When you post every day, you will see the improvement of your channel. It's a magic. Like if you like me now, I'm posting, like I'm doing video of 3. I can put it on listed. I can just schedule it, then post it when I want to post. I may not have that time to post tomorrow, but I've done 3 down. So you can do a video, you can do 3 or 4, but just be consistent in whatever you are doing. And when you are consistent, I'm telling you, you're going to see improvement. You're going to see improvement on your channel. The big YouTubers like Vibe with Sonia and Princess Chiamaka, some of them, they post 3 times a day and they still go live. That is 4. Then you, a small YouTuber, I'm also talking to myself, what excuse do you have? It's not easy, but it's stressful, but you just need to do it. When you do those things, you're consistent, you will see improvement on your channel. Your channel is not dead. You just need to do these things and you will see improvement on your channel. This video is going to be a little bit lengthy, but at least it will worth your time, because you will learn 1 or 2 things from what I say. And when I tell you these things, that it has worked for me, that is why I'm telling you. You use it and you will see improvement in your channel. So your channel is not dead. It just needs a refresh. You just need to do those things that I've just mentioned. So stay patient and keep experimenting, keep improving on your channel every day. See, sometimes I learned it from one big YouTuber. She said, when you post, don't even go and be looking at the views. It's not easy to do, but sometimes you just keep your mind away from it and let it do its thing. And if you're not okay with the views, keep getting better. That is why the analytic is there for you to check. While I'm doing this, why I'm saying that your video is not dead, or YouTube is not recommending your video. YouTube is recommending your videos. But if you do these 5 tips that I've said to you, you will see improvement on your videos. I'm telling you for free, you will see improvement. It has worked for me, like I said, and I know the amount I've been making. A little drop make a mighty ocean, right? So I may not be there yet, but I know some persons have not even started receiving that kind of amount, but I'm receiving it, so it's a good thing for me. So if I can do it, you can also do it. So please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notification when my video pops up. And if you subscribed already, you know I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.